Walang bayad mangarap. Libre lang mangarap. Kaya please, mangarap ka na.
Hey beautiful people, this is Pearl Hong and today we have a question.
What guidance can you offer to those who have forgotten to dream? Alam mo, pag hindi ka nangarap, walang next level sa'yo. Pag hindi ka nangarap, for me, ang iniisip mo lang is just your own existence. But you are not thinking about the impact na mabibigay mo sa mundo. And every one of us gusto na magkaroon ng impact. May gustong mabigay na value sa mundo. That's why, please dream. Yung mga taong hindi naman nangangarap, ito yung mga nag-fail dati. Sinubukan din nila yan. Sinubukan nila mangarap. Kaya lang nag-fail sila. Kaya ang nangyari, sabi nila, ayoko na mangarap. Ang hirap pala. Ang hirap pala makuha yung pangarap ko. Pero actually, dream lang. Maybe your story of failure is just part of your process para mag-next level ka sa buhay mo. And itong mga hindi nangangarap, for me, the reason why is because you don't let inspiration sink in. And life without inspiration is so dull and boring. Pag may inspirasyon ka, makita mo lang yung kaklase mo na, nagawa niya. O kakilala mo na, nagawa niya. Kaya ko rin. Have that kind of mindset. Because if you do, definitely, ma-activate yung power of belief mo sa sarili mo. Kaya, let inspiration sink in. Huwag mong kontrahin. Because alam mo, kakakontra mo at hindi ka mangangarap, definitely you will have a negative life. Gusto mo ba yun, negative life? Siyempre, we don't want that. We want you and you want to have a positive life. Kaya, just dream. Masarap magkaroon ng maraming experiences sa buhay. Just dream. Dream of going to Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights. Dream of, when I was in Hokkaido, I even have thought of, paano ba bumili ng lupa dito? Kasi napaka-fresh ng fruits nila, ng vegetable. That's the best corn I've ever tasted. Alam mo yung mga ganong pangarap. And if you have that dream, meron kang patutunguhan sa buhay kaysa yung wala. And always remember that the circle that you are in, you influence them. So pag wala kang pangarap, baka yung circle mo, wala ring pangarap. Kung hindi ka nangangarap, baka yung mga anak mo, hindi rin nangangarap. So what kind of influence are you giving sa mundong ito? So dream. Yun lang yun. Don't be afraid of, baka hindi ko makuha. At least when you believe, you're halfway there, di ba? Nasa gitna ka na kasi naniwala ka. Than of, hindi ka maniniwala. And life is so different. You have success. Iba itrato ang mga taong successful. Bakit? The moment that you're successful, it's not the results but it's the transformation of who you have become. Kumbaga, iba yung wisdom mo. Marami kang taong matutulungan na ma-share mo kung ano yung mga natutunan mo sa mga napagdaanan mo. Imagine, that is the impact that you can give. Not only to the people, to the world, but even to the people close to you. Like anak mo, asawa mo, sasabihin nila, ay, ang sensible niya kausap, ang valuable kausap ng tatay ko, ang valuable kausap ng nanay ko. Ang dami kong matututunan. Bakit? Dahil yung tao na yan, mapangarap yan. Than of not doing anything at all. Again, your life is alive if your heartbeat, di ba anong inaantay natin sa ospital na heartbeat, di ba yung tug-tug, tug-tug, yung talagang gumagano, no? Di ba ayaw natin yung toot? That's a boring life. We want an alive kind of life. And again, dreaming is just free. Walang bayad mangarap. Libre lang mangarap. Kaya please, mangarap ka na. And explore your own self as you go along towards that dreams.
This is Pearl Hong sending you love and light.